Hello guys, myself Saloni Chauthani and today we are going to solve one computer oriented numerical methods question, and the question is write algorithm for Newton's interpolation. The A part of the question is algorithm construct the difference table by eliminating the sets to ensure that the interpolation point is at the beginning interval, and the second part of the question is obtain first, second and third derivative from Newton's formula. The solution of this question is forward difference operator delta. The delta is known as the forward difference operator. Let y equals to f of x is a function of x where y is our independent variable, x is our argument and fx is a function and corresponding values of function fx equals to entry. Then we will find the first forward difference. So here all the x values are written, here all the y values are written. That is x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 3h, and y is f of x. So f of x0, f of x0 plus h, f of x0 plus 2h, f of x0 plus 3h. Then we will find the del y, that is f of x0 plus h minus f of x0, then f of x0 plus 2h minus f of x0 plus h, then f of x0 plus 3h minus f of x0 plus 2h. This. So del fx, that is del y, as y is equals to f of x. So del fx is equals to f of x plus h minus f of x. This is our first forward difference. To find the second forward difference, that is del square y, that is del square f of x. So we have taken one del outside, so del into del f of x. So we can write del of fx is equals to f of x plus h minus f of x. That is, we have proved here f of x plus h minus f of x is equals to del fx. So we have written f of x plus h minus f of x in place of del fx. Then f of x plus h is f of x plus h is f of x plus 2h minus f of x plus h. So del f of x plus h is equals to f of x plus 2h minus f of x plus h, and del of fx is equals to f of x plus h, f of x plus h minus f of x. Del fx is equals to, so we have multiplied del in both and then we have written the values. So del square f of x is equals to f of x plus 2h minus f of x plus h plus minus f of x plus h is equals to 2 minus 2 f of x plus h. So minus 2 f of x plus h plus f of x fx minus minus is equals to plus f of x. So this is our second forward difference. Then forward difference x, as we have seen, a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 4h, and y f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h, f of a plus 4h. Then we have made d of 5 is to 5. So y2 minus y1, y3 minus y2, y4 minus y3, y5 minus y4. Then d21 minus d11, d31 minus d21 and d41 minus d31. Then d22 minus d12, d32 minus d22. Then d23 minus d13. Then we will write the algorithm for Newton's forward difference. That is step 1, read n. We will read n. Then step 2, for I equals to 1 to n, read xi and yi, and for. We will start the for loop from I equals to 1 to n, and for that particular interval we will read xi and yi. Then we will end our for loop. Then step 3, for j equals to 1 to n minus 1. We will start the loop again, for loop, from j equals to 1 to n minus 1. Then step 4, for I equals to 1 to n minus j. We will start one more loop, that is nested loop, for loop inside the for loop. Another for loop is I equals to 1 to n minus j. Then step 5, if j equals to 1, so assign the value of yi plus 1 minus yi to dij. So if j will be equal to 1, so we will assign the value of yi plus 1 minus yi to dij. And else, If j is not equals to 1, then we will assign the value of di plus 1 j minus 1 minus di j minus 1 to dij. Then step 6, for j equals to 1 to n minus 1, for I equals to 1 to n minus j. We will start the loop again from j equals to 1 to n minus 1 and another loop, nested loop, from I equals to 1 to n minus j. And for that loop, we will print our ij and we will print next line, that is backslash n. Okay. Then the B part of the question is we have to find the first, second and third derivative from Newton's forward difference interpolation. So the first difference is f a plus hu is equals to y naught plus u factorial 1 del y naught plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2 del square y naught plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 upon factorial 3 del cube y naught, and so on. Then after differentiating it, we will find the second derivative, that is f dash a plus hu which will be equal to 1 upon u bracket 0 plus del y naught plus 2u minus 1 upon 2 del square y naught plus 3u square minus 6u plus 2 upon 6 del cube y naught, plus and so on. Then we, after differentiating it again, we will find the third derivative, that is f double dash a plus hu which will be equal to 1 upon u square bracket 0 plus del square y naught plus u minus 1 del cube y naught, plus and so on. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching it. I hope this will help you out.